Welcome to my presentation. Hello, my name is Gabriel Hamilton and I go to Universal Academy. I go to Miss Hunter's GT class and this is a presentation for it. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. The universe. This will be about the universe by Gabriel Hamilton. Let's ask some questions. What is the universe? How is the universe formed? What are some components of the universe? What are some theories on the universe? And finally, what are some ways scientists think the universe will end? Let's ask the first question. The universe is where all celestial objects are born and when they die. Example, a star being created then going supernova. The universe is also where every civilization lives. The size of the observable universe is huge, about 93.58 billion light years across. This is what the observable universe looks like with the radiation left over from the Big Bang. How is the universe formed? The universe was formed from the Big Bang, which was an explosion about 100 times larger than our Milky Way galaxy and exploded at the beginning of time. The Milky Way galaxy was 100,000 light years across, and the Big Bang was 100 million light years across. As you can see, this is the Big Bang, and this is the present day, and this is the growth of the universe over time. What are some components of the universe? After the Big Bang, many elements like hydrogen and helium came together with a gravitational pull to create the first stars. Then, other elements created planets, which with stars' gravitational pulls formed solar systems. After solar systems were created, black holes, which formed by taking matter from other celestial objects, used their own gravitational pull to create some of the galaxies. Other galaxies were created by dark matter at the center. Dark matter is a substance that has its own gravitational pull, even if it is not a celestial object. What are some components of the universe as well? These galaxies were formed in such a way that they were grouped in clusters or bunches. These clusters came together to form superclusters. As you can see, this is a cluster and this is a supercluster. What are some theories on the universe? White holes are a theory that are theoretical objects in space that scientists find fascinating. They are the opposite of black holes and are believed to repel matter and energy instead of absorbing it. However, no direct proof of their existence has been found yet. Even though we don't have concrete evidence, the concept of white holes sparks curiosity and encourages scientists to study and explore the mystery of the universe, pushing our understanding even further. Wormholes are ripples in the fabric of space, where if you enter one, you can theoretically travel to another part of the universe, essentially teleporting through space and time. But the amount of time it would take to reach the other side would be infinite. This is, as you can see, this is what a wormhole may look like, as theories go. What are some ways scientists think the universe will end? The heat death of the universe is at the end of time, about 20 to 30 trillion years in the future, where the universe will become too big and retract friction so hot the universe will not be able to sustain it and will collapse or dissolve on itself. This is what it may look like. What are some ways scientists think the universe will end as well? The freeze death of the universe is at the end of time, about 20 to 30 trillion years in the future, is where the universe will expand too greatly, creating too much isolation between the galaxies, which will lead to temperature decreasing rapidly. And when the temperature becomes too low, the universe will not be able to withstand such cold temperatures, leading to the freeze death of the universe. And this is what it may look like. What are some ways scientists think the universe is end as well? The big bounce of the universe is at the end of time, about 20 to 30 trillion years in the future, where the universe will grow to its maximum size. Then dark matter will not be able to expand the universe's size any longer. Then the universe will implode on itself, creating another Big Bang. As you can see, it's happening here, creating 4 different universes. What are some ways scientists think the universe will end? The fourth slide. The big rip of the universe is at the end of time at about 20 to 30 trillion years in the future, when the universe becomes too big and the cellular atoms of the universe can't withstand such pressure. And as a result, the universe tears apart. As you can see, the Big Bang and the universe becomes too big that it rips apart. Thank you. Thank you for watching my presentation about the universe. I hope hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have a nice day and goodbye.